Nobody likes to deal with boring presentation with a long readable text, terrible clip art, bad slides, etc. etc. I mean, who wants that? Yuck! The point is that well-designed slides coupled with great timing while presenting can work wonders. If you're looking for ideas on how to make a good PowerPoint presentation, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you some key points to help you master Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm Aman from Gadgets 360 and you're watching Office Space, our series dedicated to making your life with Office apps much easier. Before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and do hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Just because PowerPoint presentations are about seeing more and reading less, it doesn't mean that it has to stay like this forever. Which brings me to Outline View on PowerPoint. With Outline View, you get a document style format on the left. This allows you to have all your text in the form of pointers that you can access in one place, which means no more locating and dealing with slides one by one. Outline View also comes in handy when you want to focus on both the text and slide at the same time. To enable or disable Outline View, simply go to the View tab in the ribbon and click Outline View. The key to make your PowerPoint presentation stand out depends on how it looks, and for that you need to start by using a good template. I'm talking about third-party templates that you can download from the internet. You can visit websites such as allppt.com or slidescarnival.com to download cool and customizable templates. There are a ton of free templates to choose from to let you create visually appealing presentations. Besides, if you don't mind spending, you can do one better than the free templates. You can check out paid templates by visiting Envato Elements, and the good part is that a monthly subscription lets you download as many templates as you want. You'll only end up confusing your audience if the design of your presentation varies from slide to slide. Your focus should always be to keep consistency whenever it comes to the theme and design of your presentation. By following consistency, your audience can focus on what you have to say. Make sure that you use the same font, the same set of colors, and the same graphical style for your presentation. Adding too much text in a presentation will only push away your audience's attention. If you have a lot of text on your slide, your audience will inevitably end up reading rather than listening to you. So instead, you can try and add short bullet points with as little text as possible so that your audience reads less and pays attention to what you have to say more. You can try and use images for your slides instead of bullet points or charts, but before doing that, do ask yourself whether the picture conveys your point or not. And yes, with the text, do use a font with a legible type, color and size. While it is totally optional to add animations and transitions to your presentation, you should definitely consider adding them to your slides for that extra zing. Not only do the animations and transitions add life to your presentation, but they even give you the ability to have tighter control over your slides' duration, delay, movement, and order. You can find animations and transitions in the ribbon above, and there are a bunch of them to choose from that you can select, preview, and even customize to your liking. You can always download the third-party templates which I suggested earlier in this video. Not only do these templates look better than the stock designs, but they also come with custom animations and transitions preloaded. Having a good image as a background for your presentation is cool, but having a video background is even cooler. I think it looks more visually appealing, so this is how you can make one. Follow these steps. Download the video that you'd like to use as your background. Now all you need to do is to drag the video onto a slide. Now adjust its corners. Click playback in the ribbon. Now tick the option that says loop until stopped. I'm also going to add a few elements on top. And that's about it. This is how it looks like. Isn't it good? By the way, you can also go to Rehearsals website if you want some cool looking videos that you can use as backgrounds in your presentation. PowerPoint is not just a platform that lets you create presentations, but it also lets you rehearse your presentations, quite literally. Check this out. With PowerPoint, you can practice and rehearse your presentation before presenting it in front of an audience. Just go to slideshow in the ribbon and select rehearse timings. Now you can practice your parts, and whenever you're done with a slide, you simply hit the next button until you reach the end of the slideshow. Finally, hit save to store the slide timings. Now that you have rehearsed your slides, you can find out the individual time you spent on a slide. To do that, hit view in the ribbon and go to slide sorter. This way you can get an idea as to how much time you are giving to each slide and what you can do to make it better. Apart from this, you can also use these recorded timings at the time when you are actually presenting. To do that, hit slideshow in the ribbon. Go to setup slideshow and under advanced slides, select using timings if present. Remember, rehearse timings is mainly there so that you can time your presentations. So go ahead and practice all you want, but I recommend manually advancing slides while presenting to avoid any goof ups. And these were some of the key points that will help you become a PowerPoint power user. Have some suggestions, you can let me know in the comments below. As always, hit the thumbs up if you learned something new, and do share this video with others. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com. See you next Tuesday.